Good morning, everybody. I'm up early as always, having coffee, starting my day, and two things in this video. I wanted to do one before it got light outside. I finally got some new solar torches that I've been wanting, that some of my friends, my traveling friends, have gotten, and I seen them and I thought those are so cool. I just wanted a set. I got those. I want to show those to you. And the bounder, the cleaning lady has come and gone. The bounder is probably cleaner now than when I bought it over 3.5 years ago. She did a really nice job, and the bounder's looking good, so we'll go over and check that out too here in a bit. And yes, it's early, the birds have started, but here's these solar torches. And my friends, when they first got them, I was just kind of amazed. I thought, they're really realistic. They're and they just make such a nice atmosphere, when you set up camp. People might think, oh, it's kind of dangerous having flame that close to your RV, right? So it's an illusion. No, they're not hot. They're solar, nice big solar area on the top, and they burn easily all night through the morning. I just love these things, and they're nice to set up on, outside around the camp, because sometimes you just don't feel like making a campfire, and for that nice camp atmosphere, and having a couple of these around, kind of give that effect a little bit. Or sometimes it's just too windy to have a campfire, or maybe you just want to sit out for a little while and you don't feel like starting a fire and then going in and there's the fire, you're wasting wood out there burning. It'll just give you that atmosphere without the trouble or the time invested and the wood invested in it. So it gives a nice camp feel. And they do come with an extra section, so you can kind of have them down here ground level, like you normally see solar lights for long walkways and such. Well, they come with that extra section. I think it's about 18 inches. You can raise them up. These are actually about waist high or so. Yeah, these are actually a little bit above my waist. So I can make the taller ones, the taller version or the shorter version. I'll probably go ahead and put those other extensions in these, and I think I'm going to put all mine up high. Yeah, I love these things. So we're going to wait just a short while. I'm going to have another coffee and let it get a little bit more bright outside. Another beautiful day is on the way. Is here now, I should say. So here's the Amazon listing, and I will be sure to put the link down in the video description. They have, let me back up here. Where is their page here? Sinoton, I don't know how to pronounce that. Sinoton? Actually they're 43 inches high. Waterproof solar torchlight with flickering flames. They're so nice. I mean, these are not dollar store lights. These are the real thing. These are nice. But we're gonna go to their page. Okay, here, visit the Sinoton. That's what I'm going to call it. Storefront. There's just a couple of here I want to show you real quick. They have these anything from the just decorative wall mount lights and security lights, some other light, nice big dusk to dawn light, other, what do they call these, farmhouse barn lights style they call these, and a wall lantern, these are pretty nice, some party lights. Let me get just through here a couple here I want to show you. Here's a nice ceiling light. Yeah, they call this like a farmhouse style. But, outdoor lamp posts, various styles here. They actually sent me a set. I had sent an email replying to these folks and said I really like the torch lights, but I just mentioned that I thought these other ones were just really nice too. I think they have a nice line of products, lighting products here. And they went ahead and sent them to me too, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to use them, and I'll get to that in a second. I'm going to gift them. But yeah, so here's the listing for the torch lights. But let's go down here a minute. This is a nice lantern style light. More of those similar type lights here, but just a slightly different style. There's some really, these I really like. These are actually really, really cool. Yeah, these are just such a very, you know, attractive, just such a nice light. All right, let me go back here. There's more of these lamp posts. Those are pretty cool, huh? Those are pretty nice. I really like these. Yeah, they have both residential and commercial lighting. They have warehouse lighting. Yeah, it's not just, yeah, this isn't just a store that has various camping equipment. This is what they do. Their game is lighting. Anything else here I want to show you? Another ceiling light, another set of these lamp posts. Those are pretty dang nice. All right, I think we'll wrap this up here. Oh no, here, my buddy actually upgraded to this type of light. These LED shop lights. If you have a garage or a shop, these upgraded. You know, these are those 4-foot. You know those 4-foot fluorescent lights. Sometimes they work better than others and kind of dim or flickering. These lampposts, or I mean these lampposts, these upgraded LED styles are they light so well and make such a difference in a shop or garage. They do. The difference is kind of night and day. So, anything else here? Oh, here, these are nice. I've seen these. These are for like hanging above maybe a kitchen island. A ceiling mount. Kind of a bronze colored. But yeah, so I'll share both the link to the torch lights and to their main page here. That if you want, you can look at an easy way to get to all their other lighting as well. But there's 7 more pages here. But I think that's it. Well, okay, they do have one more page. That's it. We'll finish. All right, some extra accessories, extra posts, and all right. I'll show you these lights that unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to use, but I'll just show you real quick here. Okay, dollar store light. Hang on, right? Dollar store light versus, you know, the real thing. There's yeah, it's all right. Now these lights, I mean, I love them, but it's one time that I was hoping that they were just some cheap plastic product, but they're not. And when I initially looked at these, you know, the company sent me a link, you know, an email with links to various products. I just glanced at these, and I was actually hoping they were kind of a cheap, just at a glance, I just thought, oh, you know, outside little torch lights, and I want these cute little maybe solar LED things that maybe they're lightweight and plastic and smaller. You know, maybe it was something I could just with double-sided tape or Velcro, some way, you know, at camp, just mount it like outside as a, you know, a door, a porch light, and then just easily take it back off to travel. And so I was just hoping it was some kind of generic little plastic, cheaper than what it is sort of deal, but it's not. These are, you know, for real legit, you know, wall-mounted lamps. And it's one time I wish they were just cheapies, but they're not. You know, they're and these are all metal, you know, very nicely made with packing. Hang on, with packing styrofoam on them. But hang on here a second. So, you know, these are really nice. This collar just screws off of here, and we'll just set this on. We'll just sit that on there. Screw the collar back on. Easy to assemble. Okay, and there it is. Nice. These are, I just love them, but I'm gonna gift them. All right, I already have the recipient in mind. Oh wait, and I actually have an Edison style bulb for in here. Wow, let me grab that real quick and see what it looks like. I can't find my bulbs. I bought a pack of those Edison style bulbs. They're old style, but they're the new LED style, so real energy efficient. They're just a very attractive bulbs, and they're the same bulbs that were shown in the ads on their Amazon page. So they just make for a really nice look. But I bought a pack because I bought this desk lamp, and I didn't realize it came with this rounder type bulb. So that bulb was included, and it's you know, it's just, I love this style of lighting. Anyway, I'll find those bulbs, and I'll include that when I gift those lamps. I have bulbs to include with them, so it'll be a complete gift. Again, I'll put the links to all this down in the video description. Go check it out. It's really nice stuff. So, all right, we'll go over and check the bounder out. It's looking good. Good morning, Betty. I'm going to spend a little bit more time. Some of these compartments are carpeted, and they could use some spot cleaning. We'll work on that today. The wheels are all nice and shiny again, and the tires are black. But, yeah, there's a little bit of staining on there. I think that'll all lift out. I'll spray that with some carpet cleaner and vacuum it. I actually have a Bissell carpet cleaner, nice and shiny. And yeah, and there's fire extinguishers in various locations around in Betty, but there's all LED storage lighting in there in these. And yeah, it's been cleaning. She's starting to look pretty good. All right, Betty, what's going on in here? Yeah, I mean, starting from the front, that dashboard is so nice and clean. And oops, there's actually a little piece of sticker on there. It's my bad. I'll get that off. It's just nothing major. I'll peel that off. But yeah, the dash and the instrument area is all clean. The dash is nice and clean. And so my workstation there, nice. It's all cleaned up, really nice. So let's turn around here. I got the glass cleaner out. I got a little bit more work to do there. At the time, the windows were, I hadn't washed the outside, and the windows were so dirty that on the outside that it was difficult for her to tell, you know, when they were thoroughly clean on the inside, which is fine. They're 80-90% clean. Now that I've washed the outside, you can see a few streaks, but I can't really blame that on her. It was hard for her to tell, like I say, when the outside was so dirty. There's some screens. Some of the screens are kind of dirty. I'm probably gonna clean the screens today. It's kind of a pain, but I'll get it done. And you had the oven and the stove and the microwave all cleaned. The refrigerator all looks new again. It is I think about 5 years old now. But yeah, I have it all turned back on, and it's nice and cold in here. I got some water, some cold water down here in the bottom, and that's it. Nice. And freezer's all nice and clean. Nice. I'm happy. And the shower is all shining and clean again. I'm not the best at cleaning these up as often as I should, but it's looking good. And the bathroom's all nice and clean, and it smells nice in here. The binder. Yeah, I don't know if it was this clean when I bought it. From an RV dealer down in Florida. And they have staff that, you know, clean the used ones up and get them ready to show. I mean, it was nice. It looked nice when I bought it, but it's just as nice, if not better. Oh, we didn't finish back here. And that's about it. It's just looking nice. Just looking nice. And both TVs, I got the two smart TVs in here. That's a 24-inch. So where's the other one? Of course, is up front, and it's plenty big for in here. So I think that's 32-inch. Anyway, we're getting close. We're getting close to having this wrapped up. I got some odds and ends to do here, and I've been in contact now, and more direct contact with the buyer. It went from texting, just doing some updates, to we talked on the phone the other night, and I got a plan and a timeline coming together, and we're getting there. We'll see. And no video is complete without Bella, right? Come here, come here. Or are you looking for bad deers? Are you looking for where's some bad deers at this morning? Or the rabbits? Go, you go see. Where's those bad deers? Go see. I don't know, there's nothing down there, but she's just got some energy going this morning. Alright, good girl, come on, come on. Come on, girl. Alright, she's gonna snoop around in the yard a little bit this morning. The morning's getting on here. I got plenty to do today, as always. We got some things going on with the coachman. I got some other cool stuff I'm gonna show you pretty soon. So anyway, we'll be back soon. And how about you be back soon too? I'll see you next time. Come on, girl. What are you doing this morning? She says, what I do every morning, I'm gonna go find a private place over here to go take care of something.